Hi everyone, it's Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 20 by 16 or 50 by 40 centimetre canvas, and I've just done a pour and I tilted it, and this paint here I'm using as a base coat is all the tilted colours from that other pour, and I've got cells coming up and lace, and so what I thought I might do is the leftover colours. I've got cobalt blue, red, orange and black. I probably should have mixed up a little bit of white, but I didn't. So I'm just going to use these colours I've got, and I don't know, I might just do a bit of a ring pour or something, and a jiggle pour or something. I'll see what I want to do with it in a minute, because I'm thinking as I do this, and I've got more than enough paint in this cup, yellow or red. Alright, so okay, and just a jiggle pour, hey, and should get some really pretty bright colours, I hope. So I might put a bit more blue in there. Okay. Oh, look at the cells. That's really pretty just as it is, but far too much paint. I'll have to stretch it out a bit. Oh, come on, blue mixing. Right down here. Prefer not to lose too much of that lovely bright colour. And I'm going to bring it back this way. And over the edge. Oh, now that is pretty. Bring it down here. And here come paint. Down to this one. Okay, that's that. Just come around. Oh, good. This is really nice. Right, so I'm just going to wipe my hands off, and then I'm going to give it a torch. So the recipes for the paints and pouring medium you'll find below, show more under the video. And here we go. Too much, there wasn't much there in the line of leather cells, but there wasn't much air bubbles, and it looks like fire just here. It's really pretty in water. Okay, so I'll bring you down to take a look. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. And I'm watching Vera. Put him on hold just while I do this. So that's what I've been looking at. This is really a nice one. Lovely fiery colours. Yes. Yeah, please hit subscribe. I do hope you've enjoyed this one, and please give it the thumbs up. I do appreciate that, and it only takes a second, but it does help YouTube with the algorithms to place the videos. How's that blue? That's really bright. And lots of lace, as you can see. Yeah, I really like this one. I don't know that I've ever had one do that sort of lines like coral, but there you go. It's always a first. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.